Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can execute some tasks when you open an application and how you perform another task when you go back from one application to another one. So one practical use you can think of is when you open any app like PDF reader or Kindle, you wants to have like a night mode which really helps you to in a reading brightness. So with the night light you can have that kind of feature, but you need to go from menu and keep changing the stuff for reading only. So you can do one thing is you can attach a task on the open application, and then when you deactivate it and go back to another application, it will get back to it. So as you can see, it's a Kindle. I have applied a task on it. So when I click on it, as you can see, it switches to like another yellowish kind of light, and when I go back, it switch it again. Let's see it again. So when I click on it, it switch it to the night mode, and when I go back from this application to the desktop, it will switch it back again. So that thing can be achieved using Tasker. So when you go to the Tasker, what you need to do is you need to go to the profile, and here I have used Kindle, and I have added like night activation task and night light deactivated task. So in order to do that, you need to go to app selection profile. So let's just try to create it again, and I will just use sample app and click on it, and then I need to use application. So this will be the profile. Whenever any application opens or get activated, it will go to this profile. So from this you need to just click on it and choose any application you want, and click again, I think. Okay, so I have choose that, and let's just go back. And now you can see it will ask you for choosing some tasks. So I have created a task for night light activation. So I have choose that. So now one confusion we all get into is how we can choose another task for exit. So you need to just hold it, and then you will see an option which says that add exit task. So what it will do, whenever application deactivated, it is on screen, and when you go back to another application and it will be not activated at that time, then it will going to execute it. It's not related to the close, it's more related to the active and deactive. So when you click on it, it will again ask you for choosing another task. So you can choose night deactivated now, and as you can see it will start showing in the same way. So let's just go to some before that I need to click on this apply, and now when I go to the Adobe Acrobat Reader, so it should perform the same things. So I need to search it. So Adobe Acrobat, so as you can see, it's move it to the another one, right? And when I go back, it will again move to the next one. So let's just see what I have added in the task. So this is related to profile. So application profile I have choose, and inside that add task and exit task I have choose. So from the task we need to write some code in it. So for night light activation, I have used custom settings, and inside that custom settings I have choose secure, and inside the secure I need to use one in it, and this is the name which you need to use it as it is, so that it will get activated. So basically we are using secure setting with the name night display activated, and we are passing the value 0 or I mean 1, which will activated this. And on another task which is deactivated, we have again choose the same secure setting which has name night display activated, and with that I have used 0. So before that we have choose 1, and now with this I have used 0. So by doing that you can just use it. Let me just try to show it by clicking on play. So as you can see, when you click on this it will go to back to night mode, and in order to deactivate it I need to go to this and click play again, so it will deactivate the night display. So I hope it will give you some idea how you can achieve this, and if you have any comments or question regarding this please comment below. And if this video is of any help for you guys, please like and subscribe, so that it will give me some motivation to create more videos. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye.